Today we are going to solve this block diagram of a control system. Here we have the RS input and the CS, which is the output of the system. So step number one, we start by observing the series and the parallel systems, the parallel blocks in the systems, and the series blocks. So in series, in series, we have to multiply the blocks, but those in parallel we have to add, and here will be the resultant block. So in series we have G1, G4, and in parallel we'll have G2, G3 plus G2, because they are parallel. Then there is the output of the system. Here we have a feedback H1 and then to the positive side. Then there is another feedback H2 from the output of the input of the system. So after that we have to identify the minor and the major blocks. So we start by the minor block. We have the minor block with the feedback H1 here. We have to reduce this minor block. We reduce this minor block. So we know the formula of reducing with the feedback with G is equals to 1 plus or minus G H. So by using this formula, this is what we will get: G1, G4 over 1 minus GH. It will be minus because it is entering through the positive side of the summing point. So that would be the feedback H2. Then we have reduced by the formula G over 1 plus or minus GH. We have reduced by this formula. And because it's entering through the positive side, we'll have minus. We'll use minus. Minus there. But if it was positive, we could have used negative. So now this will be the formula. The resultant equation will be that one. So next we go to the old system now. The old system we have to reduce because they are in series. So we said in series you have to multiply. So multiplying, we'll have the G3 plus G2 multiplied by G1, G4 over 1 minus G1, G4 over H with the feedback H2. Therefore, this one will be the resultant block. So here we have to now apply the same formula of reduction now to solve this block. The formula of 1 plus G over 1 plus or minus GH. So here will be, we use this formula to come up with this equation over H2 there. So this one is the output, this one the input. So now this is the main equation. Now this is the simplified form of the block. So we have to solve this equation. I have to solve this equation to get the solved equation of the simplified block. So by opening the bracket, we have that one. We use LCM to solve this one. So by using LCM, we come up with this. So that one and they look alike, so we have to cancel them out. So to solve the output of the input, so we'll be having this one as our equation now. Yeah, and that's this block. Now we have solved that block, and following all the steps and the formulas there down, we come to the